Budgies communicate with sounds and body language. The best way to find out what your bird said to you is by spending time observing your bird. A lot of your budgie's vocalizations are best interpreted by considering his body language along with the sound. At first, it may sound as he's making the same type of noise during two different moods. But if you listen carefully and pay attention to his body language, you will soon hear the difference. You will be able to recognize that he is stressed or happy. In this video, I have tried to explain some budgie sounds to you, so update what you have learned or learn if you have not. Monotone chatter budgie. It's the sound of happy bird. It's the kind of noise a bird that can stop making noises needs to make when there's nothing important to say. A bit like a person who can't abide silence and has to fill it with monology. He will sit still while he chatters, with his feathers fluffed up in a visible sign of happiness. If your bird is a male, he will also chatter to show off and court females. Budgies will often chatter and twitter into their mirrors, believing that the reflected bird is paying attention to their every tweet. This amorous whirling chatter is often accompanied by head bobbing movements and erect head feathers. If the bird is missing other bird, she may realize a contact call. It sounds kind of like a person whistling. If a bird hears another bird outside, she will also drop this contact call. Squawking or mad is the noise no one wants to hear. The bird may have been frightened by something. She may be hurt, have sensed a predator, or she may just be angry because there is not the food in cage. Sometimes it will show up in the middle of otherwise happy chatter. Maybe your budgies are just recalling an angry moment or she is in danger. There is more of this in the spring and fall, when the natural daylight signals a rise in hormone levels for our budgie. If birds are left alone too often or for too long, they can start to scream because they have nothing else to do, and because it usually gets a human in the room to pay attention to them. Birds need a stimulating environment if they must be left alone for any period of time. A budgie in a really good mood might sing, chirps, and sometimes talks. Budgies use various sounds they've picked up, including human speech. They often sing together, reassuring each other that all is well and everyone is safe. Singing is always a good sign, showing that the birds are happy and healthy. Budgies will chirp when they heard music. They'll chirp when they are happy, if there is noise in a room. If you're playing the radio or TV, your birds will keep up with the ambient noise. So, the noisier an environment, the more noise your birds will make. Budgie sounds and body language of bird is very wide, and in this video I have tried to explain few. I hope I succeeded. Check out more bird videos in the proposal. Don't forget to follow us on the links in the video descriptions. Click on the bell and stay healthy and happy until my next video.